Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the HBTower 2-step stool, and it has a 500-pound load capacity. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars, has over 46,000 ratings on Amazon, and it's one of the Amazon Choice products. Looking for a sturdy and reliable step ladder that fits perfectly into your home or workplace? Then this 2-step stool is your go-to solution for all those hard-to-reach places. With its durable steel frame, non-slip wide steps, and an impressive 500-pound load capacity, this ladder ensures both safety and stability. Need to store it? No problem. Its slim fold-in design tucks away neatly, making it perfect for small spaces. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, organizing, or just need a little extra height, trust the HBTower to elevate you to new heights safely and conveniently. Start by positioning the ladder on a flat, stable surface. Grasp the top handle and pull the ladder apart until it locks into its fully open position. Ensure the ladder is securely locked in place and all 4 legs are firmly on the ground. Double check that the steps and legs are not wobbly before climbing. Always face the ladder when climbing, keeping both hands on the handle for balance. Step onto the bottom step first, then move on to the top step if needed. Once at the desired height, keep both feet on the step and avoid leaning too far to one side. For extra stability, hold the top handle when reaching for objects. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.